Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix League of Legends wound update. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there's a bunch of things that you could do here to probably fix this issue. Now, one of the things you could do here is to make sure that you're running League of Legends in Administrator. In this case, go ahead and close Riot Games here, right click on League of Legends, and from here go to Properties. Now under Properties, you want to go to the section that says Compatibility. Now from here, make sure that you enable the following options, which includes disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. In this case, go ahead and click on apply and click on OK. Now from here, what we need to do next is you just need to open up Riot Games, start up League of Legends, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, well, another thing that we could do here is to modify some services on our PC. Now at the bottom left here, go to the type here to search, and just type in services. Now from here, look for services that has system on it. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for a specific service, which is going to be VGC. In this case, once you see VGC here, right click on it, and from here go to properties. Now what you need to do here is you need to change the startup type here to manual. So make sure that you set this to manual. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on apply, click on OK, and then start your PC and open up Riot Games again and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.